This discovery suggests that the people of Chekwa were part of an ancient population that survived here in near isolation. Protected by the high paramos, cold plains, and the natural barriers of the Bogota Plateau, they lived generation after generation along the shores and on the islands of the Great Lake Herrera, with minimal contact from outside groups. The fact that they survived for so long in such splendid isolation suggests a large group of people thrived here. To maintain a lineage for so long and to maintain genetic diversity, an initial group of over 5,000 people would have been required, a much larger and organized population than the simple hunter-gatherer theory suggests.